We have a 2012 Audi S4. Came through, it already had an IE downpipe installed when it came. And what we did today was throw on a Billy Boat exhaust snapback system. We do have to do a few little fabrications to make it fit, because right here, it should be fully bolt on, but in this case, since he had the aftermarket downpipe, we had to fabricate some midsection right here to make it fit. And this is the system right here with these tips it came with.
Look inside. One thing that they have about theirs is like it's all square.
So we're gonna bring it down for you guys and fire it up.